We have what is now a pandemic, and we have extraordinary challenges within markets around the world. We've seen the catastrophic falls of the Dow and the Toronto exchanges. But again, all governments can do is prepare for the worst and hope for the best. And I know that sounds kind of like what you guys do every day as well. And it shouldn't surprise you that that's how governments need to respond. But planning and preparing is key to success. We have, with respect to COVID-19, we were early adherents to containment as early as January. We have a robust trade with China where the early cases were being determined. We have a large Iranian Persian population in the Lower Mainland as well, which is the second wave. But those issues really don't matter. Viruses do not know ethnicity. They are just, they infect people. And British Columbia is an open economy with a diverse population, so it's not surprising that we would have a significant number of cases here, among the highest in the country. I think we're at 32 today, and we can expect that to grow. So we put in place early on a deputies committee of the government to make sure we were looking at the economic consequences, the health, public health issues, of course, front and center, and how would we plan and prepare for that. In the middle of it, of course, we tabled the budget, and at the time we tabled the budget, the expectations for growth in BC were around 2.5%, depending on who you asked. Carol James, being a very prudent human being, built lots of prudence in with a forecast allowance and also a buffer to make sure that we had contingencies in the event that things didn't work out as we had forecast. And forecasting is an inexact science on a good day, but when you have the prospects of a pandemic, it's extremely difficult to plan. So I'm pleased with where we are with respect to the federal government, so we can work on things like unemployment insurance to help workers. We need to look at how we can assist, we as the province can assist small businesses as they see potentially employees not being able to come to work. That's having an impact on their productivity, having an impact on their access to markets. All of those things are being worked on right now by senior officials in government, and as required, we'll be laying those issues out over the weeks and months ahead.